What's going on, everyone? It's your girl Just K for real, and on this video we're going to be learning how to make this exposure unit, which by the way is just a fancy way of saying a light. But this light will be used to burn our design into our screens. So we took some wood and we took a light and we put them all together. Stay tuned and keep watching this video to see just how we did it. Alright, so for making our exposure unit, you're going to have two 24-inch slabs, one 9-inch slab, one 18-inch slab, and one 21-inch slab. So that was a 24-inch mark. We're going to get all of these things measured out, cut up, and then you'll have your wood for your exposure unit. Now when you're cutting your wood for your exposure unit, it's going to seem like you're cutting it really close to not having any more, but it's going to be really spot on. Alright, so we're setting up our exposure unit. Your two 24s are going to be here. Your 19 will serve as the back face. Your 18 is going to go straight up here. You're going to sit your 9 up there, and then we're going to drill our light onto this. An exposure unit is basically a fancy way to say light. So that's what we're going to make. So we're going to use a drill. We're going to have 2.5-inch screws, not nails, screws, not nails, because screws, you can screw them with a drill. Nails, you need a hammer. That's difficult. Screws. Alright, so I'm gonna line this up, make sure it's as a base on there. Line it up. It is a base. It's not in the middle.
You gotta get it perfect in the middle, but kind of sorta in the middle.
Yeah.
What's half of 21, you guys?
21.
So when drilling into the wood, you want to use a pilot hole first, and that's to avoid breaking or cracking the wood, which as you can see, we did not. Which it's fine, everything still worked out, but moving forward we did use a pilot hole. Now you see that right there, that's what we're trying to avoid. So we're gonna put our screws right through this, into there, right through it, into there. Screws, not nails. So with the light, you have to unscrew the front and put the light bulb in, but you don't touch the light bulb with your hands because the oil from your fingers will fry the bulb. So we're gonna okay, go break the light. We're gonna use like tissue or gloves or something to put the light bulb in there.
I don't like to go on with cigarette pipe.
It looked like a tampon. It did. So it comes with a little foam on there. So use that. And then you don't have to go to the bathroom to go do something. Boom. That's it right there. We're going to put that bad boy back together. And we're going to use screws, not nails, to put it right over here. pat yourself on the back because we made our exposure unit. It's lit. Make sure to check out tuneintok.com if you want to do these things or if you want to follow up on the process. Everything is there on the how to do it yourself page, the DIY page. Everything that I create will be on the creations page, and check out the shop page because I got some cool stuff on there too.